Welcome to MyprojectBazaar.com. Here is our title: Shadow Attacks Based on Password Reuses, a Quantitative Empirical Analysis. Here is our abstract. In secure computing, the major complication is the security of password-protected accounts. Thus, we analyze password reuses and shadow attacks empirically. The progress involves two modules like admin and user module. Admin here maintains the user list. Using those user details, he or she creates watchwords for user passwords. Thus, the admin blocks the hacker using the watchword match. He or she also shows the empirical relationship between user used passwords. Second, the user enrolled with the basic details to have a secure login. Once the user login, user performs the web link registration. Also views the web links by clicking on the ad rotating. One among the user attacks the hacker. One among the user acts as hacker. He or she attacks the user watchword file, that is a password generated file. Using those login credentials, attacker misuses one of those user login and login to misuse their account credentials or account details. Once those one among the watchword is used as a password by the attacker, and a warning is generated and is passed to the admin. Thus, admin blocks the misused user account. Now, finally, the empirical relationship is effectively shown by the reused passwords of the user. Here is the flow of our process. User registers with the basic details and login to perform the web link registration. Here, admin maintains the user details, create watchwords, that is matching passwords for user given password. Here, one among the user acts as an attacker, attacks the watchword, that is user password generated file. Once the password file is attacked by the attacker, user misuses one among the password as login to misuse their account. Once the attacker uses one among those watchwords, suddenly the keyword matches with the existing and a warning is sent to the admin. Admin receives the warning, thus the hacker is blocked. By using the user reused password, an empirical relationship, that is a graphical relationship between users, is shown effectively. Here is the demo of our process. Now let's click home and start page and start our process. So this is the main home page of our concept. Here initially user registration is performed. So already I have registered with the 2 users. I'm going to register with the 3rd user. So the user registration is now performed. So user details are saved successfully. Once the user registration is performed, admin creates watchwords, that is matching words for this user registered password. So admin selects the user ID and automatically it fetches the username watchwords. Now one among, that is the third one is set as the user password for every user. Among the watchword generation, the third one is set as password for every user. And now we are going to pass this password to the specific user. user password is sent to the concerned user. So admin also views the user list. These are the list of users already registered with our concept. Now user, in order to log in, use the password by giving the user ID. So this is the user password transferred by the admin. So user views the password to log in. Now here a warning is created. Let's check what's the warning. That's an attacker has attacked the generated watchword list of user. So it is saying that an attacker has misused a login. Going to misuse a login, so he has attacked the list of user watchwords, that is the matchwords generated by the admin. So now again, attacker uses one among the login. For example, attacker is going to misuse a login ID 1 which we have already registered with. Now here, for example, user has attacked this watch file. So this is the watchwords generated by the admin. Now he is going to misuse the ID 1101, username Abhi, and these are the set of passwords attacked by the attacker. He doesn't know which among these is set as the original password, so he is going to misuse the keyword 1. Or else let's take whatever. Let's also take 1003 ID, and he can misuse one among this as the password. So now let's take 1003 Nancy. So he's just trying with the key 1. So 1003 Nancy. So that's the alert is sent to the admin. Now attacker is misusing this login, and alert is passed to admin. So admin thus use the alert and just blocks the misused login Nancy. Now the user process begins. For example, the user 1101 so here admin sets password for 1101, and user password is sent to the concerned user. Now user 111001 use the password, and he or she logins. Now user views this ad rotating here. Now he or she can also view the link. For example, the user can register with Flipkart. Now he can also view this link Amazon. So the user registers with Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, etc. For example, here he is using yet another ID 1004 Abhi, email ID abhi@gmail.com. thus the user registers with Flipkart to purchase goods. So link registration is saved successfully. Again the user registers with Amazon. So thus the registration saved successfully. Again she registers with Snapdeal. So here the user reuses the same password for 3 of this registration: Amazon, Flipkart and Snapdeal. So she is reusing the same password for these 3 links. So here it will be very much easy for the attacker to misuse this account. So this can be viewed in detail by the empirical relationship between them. So here is the chart view. I'm going to select. So thus we can view this difference. So the ID 1001 has reused this password 50%. 1002 have not reused, that is they have it's in the lower level. So thus again 1004 has reused, that is has reused the same password for 3 times for 3 of these links. 1001 has reused the same password for 2 times. 1002 has used different passwords for 3 link registration. So this is successfully viewed in the empirical relationship. So this is our process. Here we can see how the attacker attacks the watchword, and this can be matched using this watchword. An alarm is generated to admin, and admin blocks those user, and again user once login registers with the different links. And how come they have used the same password again and again for the registration is shown successfully in the graphical view. Thank you.